his chronic contempt for the City of Toronto's Integrity Commissioner, the trampling of all of these rules. It's clear in Rob Ford's behavior and his bully boy brother, Doug Ford, that rules are for other people, not for them. It doesn't apply to them. He's above the rules. To me, Rob Ford did violate the Municipal Conflict of Interest Act, and he did it on purpose. But as God is anyone's witness, I never thought that the judge would therefore drop down the hammer and vacate the mayor's seat. Never in a million years. And a lot of people are in shock. You know, that's kind of the stupidity of the Municipal Conflict of Interest Act, that there was only one penalty, which is removal of office.
There is still a role for the MCIA, the Municipal Conflict of Interest Act. Having said that, where a member has acted in contravention of the conflict of interest provisions of the Act, currently removal from office is the only sanction. I believe that lesser sanctions should be made available. For example, suspension of the member, a form of probation, or a public reprimand.
And the other thing about Municipal Conflict of Interest Act, it was first passed in 1972. And 1972 is an interesting time. You had John Robarts being the Premier of Ontario in 1971, and then 1972 you had Bill Davis take over the premiership. But it was clearly kind of a piece of legislation that's passed in 1972. Guaranteed it will have been talked about and needed and molded as early as 1970-71. But I don't know what those people were thinking back then. The only penalty is going to be removal of office. Removal of office is something I don't think any judiciary really wants to go with. Was it willful? In Rob Ford's case, it's willful because pretty well every single day he does this to the rules and the standards of behavior at the City of Toronto, including the Council Code of Conduct. This guy does not do rules.